What is going on, YouTube? I know it's been a while since I did my last review, simply because I've been busy, but today I'm back. I'm back with the battle of the chickens. So starting from right to left, we have Chick-fil-A, Chickens of the Gods. We have KFC, Chicken of the Chicken. And then we have Popeyes, which had been knocking them out with their chicken sandwiches. So let's get straight into it. So I got the Chick-fil-A sandwich and the mac and cheese. Of course, the world famous Chick-fil-A sauce. Alright, boom. With KFC, I have the macaroni bowl. Boom. And a cookie. And the infamous Popeyes chicken sandwich. So yeah. So Chick-fil-A has come with that bullshit. So these two sandwiches have been going at it the last few weeks. Been selling out. These sandwiches have been selling out the last few weeks. They made like 20 million the first week, and it had been out a few months way before. So you know, all it takes is one person to kind of be like, hey, let's get a sandwich, and bam, there you go. And then Chick-fil-A, you know, the reigning champion. So let's start with the chicken sandwiches first. You know, I'm indifferent to either brand. It don't really matter to me. You know, everybody, if you're a Chick-fil-A person, of course you're gonna say the Chick-fil-A sandwich good. If you're a Popeye person, you're gonna say the Popeye sandwich is good. Let's move this out the way first. If you say Popeye person, if you're a Popeye person, you're gonna say the Popeye sandwich is good. I just want good food. Alright, so of course let's do the size comparison. You know, of course, Chick-fil-A and Popeyes. I end up getting a spicy and I end up getting a regular. Shout out to the Chick-fil-A points, because their sandwich was free. 500 points is what it cost me. Cut these bad boys open. Alright, so now, Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A, Popeyes, Chick-fil-A sandwich, Popeyes sandwich, Chick-fil-A, Popeyes. Bon appetit. You got to. Yep. The thing with Chick-fil-A is that it's going to stay consistent. This is what they are known for. Their chicken sandwiches. The chicken sandwiches are always good. And I don't have no sauce on it, and it's still good. You know. You can really eat this sandwich plain. And the chicken is amazing. Chick-fil-A is always consistent, always. Alright, boom. Now, on to the Popeyes. The newest chicken sandwich on the block, the new kid on the block. You know, there's been quite some debate about this chicken sandwich, saying that this chicken sandwich is better than the reigning champ Chick-fil-A. Just look at the size though. Like even though this is out of Popeye's lane, it's a nice piece of chicken, and the bread is amazing too. I would think that this bread on this sandwich, but here goes Popeye's sandwich. Bon appetit. The crunch on this sandwich is amazing. It's a good sandwich, actually. You would think with the chicken being so thick, it would be like kind of tough and hard to bite into, but it's not. It has this satisfying crunch. Bread is just right. Popeyes. And the Chick-fil-A sauce. The spice and mayonnaise is hidden. Like the spicy mayonnaise is good to hell. Alright. To me, each one has a, like, it's kind of hard to compare the two because Chick-fil-A has so much going for itself. It's always a consistent sandwich. You can eat a sandwich with nothing on it and it's still a good sandwich. I feel like that if you take the sauce off this sandwich, it wouldn't be as good. It has regular white bread, chicken, and a pickle. With this, it has this cassava bread, however you say it, this spicy mayonnaise, the chicken and the pickles. And the bread and the chicken is good. Like, it's on point. It's a nice piece of chicken. It's not tough. The bread is good. The sauce is good, and it's just a good chicken over. It's a good chicken sandwich. Would I choose it over Chick-fil-A? I'm not sure, because I know what I'm gonna get with this, and it's not gonna disappoint me at all. Like, it's gonna be consistent. It's gonna be a good chicken sandwich. Every time I go in there, I know what I'm getting. With this, I'm scared that if I go back, the bread gonna be either flat or it might not be enough sauce to chicken ratio. Is it a nasty sandwich? No. Is it better than Chick-fil-A? It's kind of hard to decide. I think it's just so many factors played into it. Chick-fil-A is gonna be a good sandwich. It's consistent, and it's just never gonna let you. That's gonna be always a consistent sandwich, no matter what. So now, the mac and cheese. So Chick-fil-A and KFC. Alright, so KFC, Chick-fil-A, KFC, Chick-fil-A, KFC, Chick-fil-A. So the difference between the two is this. The Chick-fil-A is just regular mac and cheese. KFC has chicken and it's really gooey. Jesus. Let's clean my packet. Alright, so patty cleaned and let's get into it. KFC had been doing this thing with the macaroni and cheese since before time. And it's just all this chicken and cheese and heart attack and everything else in one bowl. Like, this is the ultimate struggle meal. If I had $5, I would definitely get this because I feel like you got a full meal. You got the chicken, you got the mac and cheese, boom, and it's a bigger bowl. Now, the small is, I'm not sure if it's a small or a medium. I think it's a medium. I feel like this is a medium, but Chick-fil-A have just got into this macaroni and cheese thing. See? Now, is it like Mama make? That's up for debate. Bon appetit. Pretty good. Okay. Let's go mac and cheese. Like I said, Chick-fil-A is gonna always be consistent. With no matter what they do, somebody actually sit down in the whatever room they sit in there, and they thought about this through. They didn't rush into it like they did the KFC Cheeto sandwich. Lord, I hope they discontinued it. That was the worst sandwich ever. They didn't rush into it. They was like, hey, let's do something different. Let's do mac and cheese. We can do a simple. And this what it came up with, consistency. You don't have to do the most to get good results. And I got good, and this is a product of that. You know, it's gooey, got enough cheese to mac ratio, got a little crust in there. You hear the macaroni in there with it? Now, the struggle fast food meal, KFC. It has so much going on with the cheese and the chicken. You see? KFC was always on point with the drums and chicken wings, and of course the mac and cheese. But for under $6, this is a damn good deal. You get a drink, you get a cookie, and you get this. Like, if I was down my last $6, would I buy this or Chick-fil-A? It's gonna be this. Cause just the sandwich itself is gonna run you about $3 or $4. I could be wrong. I don't eat Chick-fil-A often, but yeah. So KFC, bon appetit. And with the you can actually tell the difference. Like, this cheese is way different. It's way darker than this cheese. Like, the Chick-fil-A mac and cheese is way better. Let me do this, cause maybe, just maybe, that's better. Not saying that this is nasty. It's just not as good as this. For $6, it's a pretty good deal. Now the winner of the mac and cheese would definitely be, as far as taste goes, definitely Chick-fil-A. The KFC bowl is cool. For a price point, definitely KFC. But I would definitely choose Chick-fil-A over KFC no matter what I'm getting. Imagine if Chick-fil-A did like family combos. It would kill it. They did like drumsticks and wings and chicken wings and whoo. Oh wow. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. Like, thumbs up, subscribe, and share. I got more reviews coming. Let me know what you want to see me try. If it's in the Memphis area, I'm definitely will try it. I got a few restaurants I have in mind, and yeah, I got them coming soon. Thumbs up. Tell your friends. Tune in. Until the next time, eat well and peace. Woo. Oh, well. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, share. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in. Like, thumbs up, subscribe, and share. I got more reviews coming. Let me know what you want to see me try. If it's in the Memphis area, I'm definitely gonna try it. I got a few restaurants I have in mind, and yeah, I got them coming soon. Thumbs up. Tell your friends. Tune in. Until the next time, eat well and peace.